So I am on my way to the beach this morning, and definitely got the bedhead hair. But anyway, I get up really early in the morning. It's about 5:30. It does say sunrise is at about 5:45, so I'm hoping that I can make it. It does look a little overcasty, so I'm not sure what we're going to encounter. But yeah, I'm just kind of on my way, and I love this time of morning. It's so quiet and nobody's out and about, and it's just really pretty early in the morning. And then hopefully we can see dolphins because they come out early in the morning. So yeah, I'm just gonna have like a beach day, and who knows what I'll get up to. It's just so pretty. It's like I may have missed the sunrise but it's kind of interesting like through here. So I've been to that pub before, I think. Have I been there? I don't know. Anyway, it's very beachy in some respects. What is this place? The Atlantic. I don't remember that. Huh. So I'm at Mount Pleasant Farm now. Drove from the beach to see if the peaches were ready, and yes, they are. So this is amazing. I've got fresh peaches. That one ain't so fresh, but like fresh peaches. And then I'm just putting them in my bag. Duh. But they look really good this year. Last year it took them a while and they were looking pretty bad. So this year we're looking pretty good. Pretty good. Nice peaches. Pluck this baby up. Ooh, she's like soft, so perfect. Perfect little peach. And does not look like a peach. Yes. Like the peach emoji. Luscious pink bath bomb. Peach bath bomb. It's right here. Yeah, this is just so nice. Perfect little peaches. I love picking peaches. There's some apple trees over there too. But yeah, I just love this. So fun. It's definitely overcasty today for sure, so it's kind of nice. You're not sitting in the sun, you know what I mean? So pretty cool day to pick some peaches. So I'm gonna get started. Entertainment for the day. I'm editing a video, but then the kitty wanted to be a little, see, she wants to be all feisty. So I thought I'd play with the kittens. What are you doing, Bones? What are you doing, Bones? Pumpkins. Every time she gets up to me, she wants to fight me. Pumpkins. Oh yeah, she's completely annihilated this chair. What are you doing, Pumpkins? I'm gonna get you a little bit more. So, I am putting away all my stuff that I got. Look at this monster garlic. Oh my god, yes. Look at that thing. Just beast garlic. Literally belongs in Game of Thrones. What are you doing, kitty? And then I got some peppers that they grow. Up there. And fresh kale. This one doesn't look too good. But I did get some zucchini and squash. And yeah, tomatoes. Kitty's looking. What's she doing? What's she doing, pussy? baby ones I'll put up here in this little drawer right here. It's actually a super cute little drawer. Anywho, that is what I got. Actually, no, that's not all I got. I got peaches. So, well, what's that? Peaches and a few little apples. And then I'll show you the seafood. I got shrimp. So I got shrimp and swordfish and some nice seasoning that they always give me. So yeah, fresh veggies and fresh seafoods. Nothing better than that. So I've been watching Gordon Ramsay's cooking course, and it's called the Ultimate Cookery Course. And with that, he's got a lot of really nice tips for just, you know, not a chef, but just your basic at-home type deal. And it is very interesting. So after I came home and I had all these fresh veggies and I had this seafood, I'm making couscous, you know, things like that. It did actually kind of like help with the technique and just having fun in the kitchen. So again, I'm making stir fry. I've got my kale that I just got. I got bell peppers. I got a lot of stuff from Henley Farm today. And then obviously I got my shrimp with some spices and seasonings, kind of like Old Bay, but a little bit of a mix there, and then couscous. So really nice meal, but listening to him and just like learning about cooking and technique is really fun. So I'm actually kind of getting into it. So this is what I'm having. I will plate it and then I will show you guys the final result and what I will be having for brunch today. It's only like 11 o'clock in the morning, but whatever. So this is what I have. I have my fresh kale that I just got today and picked, and fresh veggies, fresh, you know, zucchini, squash. Got my couscous here and the nice fresh shrimp that I just bought today at the market. So beautiful presentation. It's just so fresh and so good for you. And it's piping hot, as you can see. And it's just great ingredients, but very simple. And like I said, go ahead and watch Gordon Ramsay's Ultimate Cookery Course. It's actually really helpful. I'll leave the link down below. Definitely tips on how to cut vegetables, knives you should have, things like that that are really important. Just even somebody just basic cooking. I mean, this is not chef worthy, but to be honest, it's as fresh as you can get. So beautiful presentation. I love it. And I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video.